Right, welcome to my introduction to the Huawei ICT Academy. The reason I made this video is just to introduce you what the Huawei ICT Academy is, what it's all about, and also what you can do during the holiday or the break, or even to assist you being at home and to learn online while you're at home, right? So I'm going to explain to you the reason I want to talk to you about is how to associate yourself as a student to the Huawei ICT Academy by registering for free online. Also about the Learn On, um, that it's Learning Never Stops, sponsored by Huawei ICT Academy and Huawei, and also just to show you on what's been done during this COVID period. Right. Alright, so the Learn On is mainly about using your PC at home or your laptop or your device and try to study and learn online. Um, there's two ways to learn online. You either do it via an instructor that will assist you along the way, or you could do it via a self-paced study, which is similar to the Cisco Network Academy. And I'm just going to show you guys, these are um, some of the instructors that's been doing the learning online across Southern Africa. So you'll see you will see that there is one of the lectures at Tshwane University. They did 4 classes, and he trained 110 students. We're not sure how many students actually got the certificate. Then there's the University of Ghana where this one lecture had 2 classes. It trains 80 students, and then there's Kenya. There's University of Zambia, and there's another university in Uganda, also Nigeria. So these are the top, call it instructors as assisting students during the COVID period and to assist them learning online via virtual teaching and also doing the self-paced study. Right, so let me continue and to explain you what this whole process is all about. So as you can see, the Learn Online, it's a website that you go to, which there's a link at the top that you can click to. You can also access it via the Facebook Learn Online page of Huawei. And if you go through this, there's Learn On, there's Talent Online, then there's Certification. So by going through this list, you will see that these are the countries that Learn Online is happening currently. Alright, so you can see it's a worldwide initiative. And if I go through this, you will see that these are the countries who are participating. Right? If I close all of that and I maybe just select the online learning part, you will see there's Expert Live, which is there's an expert that will assist you. There's online courses, which you learn online on your own. Then there's also the experiment courses where there is a video recorded in the lab that you can look at. And there's also experiment resources as well. Now the online certification works in this way, where you have your Huawei ICT, which is a Huawei certified associate, right? And then you have your Huawei certified professional, and then your expert. So these are the learning parts, right? And going down, looking at the ways to learn is you learn online on your own, right? Or you learn via a trainer that will assist you. And another way also would be to learn via the self-paced study, which I'll explain to you now. Alright, so let's bring up this example of the one university, Tshwane, that's offering the Huawei training program currently in South Africa. So there's a Learn On in South Africa, there's a virtual live class, and there's a self-learning. So the virtual live class is with the instructor or the lecture. In this case, this lecture where the course will start the 11th till the 21st of August, just during the break, and that's a training time that it will happen online, and the status is open, so you could enroll and study via that lecture. That's available now if you want to learn more about um, HCIA routing and switching. Then there's also a self-learning, which is an online study where you then learn and you study online any of these courses that's available, right? So we can go through wireless, 5G, routing and switching, cloud computing, cloud service course, big data, um, HCI security, HCI storage, HCI wireless LAN, and HCI AI, right? And then after you've done the course, you then do a mock exam. Now, when you pass the mock exam, you need to pass plus 60 points to get a free exam voucher. And you're not getting a discount voucher, you're getting a free full exam voucher that will give you access to go write the certification international exam valued at $200, right? So these are the type of exams or the mock exams that you will have to do. And in order for you, when you finish the course, you would then choose any of these exams based on the course you've done. Then you can go write the free international voucher if you pass above 60 for your mock exam. Then this is a certification exam, which you will see it looks like this. And then when you pass the mock exam, you apply and you send the email to this person here at Huawei, and then they will then initiate the process for you to prepare yourself to write the online final exam through online as well. You don't need to go to Pearson VUE, although the exam is similar to Pearson VUE exam, right? Right, so going back to Talent Online, which is the next part, you will then see that the Learn On is also still there, and the recommendation would be that here's all the free courses that you can see that's available for you to do. All free, no cost involved. All you need to do is register a free account, and then you can access the Huawei courses. Here's all the popular certifications as well for all these courses, and yeah, that's basically what I want to show you regarding that. Then, if you register and you complete one of these courses, you then go into the certification and you choose your certification path as you continue to progress through the Huawei courses. Now, to become a student and how the academy, as the academy works, you need to register, log in and change your password. So the first thing you need to register an account, right? Then you log in, you go and change your password, and then you need to do the next important step is to associate you to the ICT Academy as an ICT Academy student, which is now with CPUT. And then you go on to the learn how to learn online, and you apply for voucher after you've done, as I just explained to you now. I'm going to go through the steps. So the first step would be you visiting the page. You go to this page here, Huawei Talent Home. You click on Partner, which is the ICT Academy, and then from there you go to the next page we will show on the next slide. You could also just go to Huawei ICT Academy, and then you enter the ICT Academy homepage. The next step, what you then do is you register an account. So you don't, if you have an existing account, you just log in. But if you have a new account, you need to create a new account, you need to go to register, which is option number 2 here, and then you fill out this form here, which is you putting in a new user ID, which you can call your own user ID. You put in your email address, your password, confirm your password, put in your first name, last name, full name, and then also your country code, and then a cell phone number, but this is needed for the next step of validation. Then you choose you do the code, you put in the code there based on what's shown in the image, and you click register. After you've done with that, you will then be able to log in with your email address that you created or your user ID, your password, and then what you do then is you change your password immediately. By changing your password, you then put in your user ID, type in your old password, and put in a new password, right? So that is how you change your password. If you just log in and you got the notification via your cell phone number, then that's fine, because then you can just log in. But if you need to change your password, this is a procedure to change your password. After you've logged in, you select that your role is a student, right? So that's the first part, is choose the academy, register the student's academy. Second part is you register the student. Then what you need to do is these will all be populated with your mobile phone number, your full name. Your role will be ICT Academy student, and then under the student information you choose your academy. So you click on the plus sign here, which is my college, choose your academy, and in this case you then, after that, you choose your academy, CPUT will pop up, and then that's where you choose your academy and you continue. Right, you can also fill in your enrollment here when you enroll to this. You don't need to fill in the class, it's optional if you're in a class. And then also the course name is also optional, and the student number is very important so that we know who the student is. So we need to validate and approve that it's a student that joins the academy, right? That's very important that you need to put in your student number. Next part is after you've enrolled, you then go to learning, and then here you can choose any of these courses to self-study on your own. And you basically go to, you agree registration, you enroll, put your name is there, and in that case it's a registration, go to online courses, and then you choose your course, and that's it. Then you can self-study on your own. You can also then say enroll now if you like the course. You can view the course, you can enroll in the course, and this is what the course would look like. It will be videos and information playing to assist you. I think that would be the last step. Then the next step is if you need to enroll in a class. Now you will be presented with this window where it will show my course, and your courses will be listed below that. And this is where you would enroll into any of those courses under your academy. After you've completed your course, you then go to my voucher, and then you can click and add a voucher for that course. If you need to access a voucher, you then need to upload an application which is required, but depending on your results, you need to upload your results, your screenshot of your results for your mock exam, and so you can get approval to go to get a voucher, and that's it. That's basically how the Huawei ICT Academy works. Now I'm just going to show you quickly what would be if one needs to approve your request as a student for the ICT Academy. Right, so in this case, I'm logged in as me. Right, so what I'll do is as soon as I get a student that wants to enroll as a student to our ICT Academy, and I'm just going to show you what our academy information looks like. So you will see the organization name is Cape Peninsula University of Technology, and at the moment we have 8 students. Now these are students from high certificate as well. That's at the colleges that actually enrolled and wanted to study more on Huawei. So what you'll do is I will get a email that I need to approve or any of the information, and this is where I'll check your student number to make sure that you're a registered student in order for me to approve you and give you access to the academy. Under academy, you will then get courses if there's courses, prescribed courses for you to do, or you can just do the self-paced study and continue as is. You will see my classes if there's any classes, and then on my side if there's any students that I need to approve, it will appear under approval management where I'll need to approve the student and allow him to be enrolled into the ICT Academy. There's also approval statuses which you will see, or you will get rejected, and you will get an email notification if you've been unsuccessful. Alright, thank you.